All right, this is the Airthereal Water Leak Detector 3-pack with a gateway. That's right, this bad boy is Wi-Fi. It will connect to an app on your phone. It's called the Area app, so that you can get notifications from these devices. So if you're not at home, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so the first thing we see here is the gateway hub. Now, this is the device that you will plug in a central location inside your house so that it can communicate with all of your detectors here. So you've got your 3 detectors here, 1, 2, and 3. And you can see they do have sensors here on the back. They require 2 AAA batteries, which this pack does include 6 AAA batteries so that you can power all of your detectors here. All right, so we've got our first set of AAA batteries opened up here. I'm going to go ahead and put these inside. There we go. And looks like we just need to close this up. Now, as you can see, they do have some waterproofing out there, of course, since these are water detectors. That only makes sense. How loud is it, might you ask? It is 120 decibels. Now, 120 decibels, that's, hard to tell how loud that is just by watching a video. You're not getting the full experience, but 120 decibels is the sound of a chainsaw right next to your head. So, yeah, these things, super loud. All right, so we've got all 3 of these set up now with their batteries. So let's go ahead and set everything up. All right, first thing you want to do is download the Area app by Airthereal. Go ahead and open it up. It's going to ask for my PIN here. And then I want to add a device. So I'll go ahead and click Add Device. And it pops up. Go ahead and click on Go to Add. It wants to connect to my Wi-Fi. Click Next. It is now connecting. And it is now connected, so go ahead and click Next. And here it'll give you the option to change the name of the device if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and stick with Home. And now, if you want to add accessories, which you do, you want to add your detectors, click on Accessories, and then hit the plus button up here in the top right. You'll hear that the hub beeped. And then you can click the test button on your detectors and it will add them. All right, it added that one. And then it's pretty much just repeat the process for all of the other detectors that you may have. All right, so now we have all 3 added on there, and then you can click on them and click on device name and set them up for wherever you are going to be placing them. For this one, we'll say basement. So we'll go ahead and click Save. And now we're going to go ahead and plug this hub in and place our detectors where we want them to be placed. And we'll go ahead and give them a try with a little bit of water. All right, so we have the hub in position here. The hub is capable of a 100-meter range, which is approximately 330 feet. So as long as it's, in a central location and your devices are within that range, you'll be good to go. All right, and I have my first detector set up here in the bathroom. It's got the little detectors here on top, which can detect water splashes. And then, of course, the ones on the back. All right, and then my second detector I have here in the kitchen, underneath the kitchen sink. And then the last detector here I have in the basement. And this is the one that we are going to go ahead and test out. So let's get it wet. And as you can see, I dried it off real quick. It activated fairly quick. It also activated the one inside the house and sent a notification to my phone. All right, so that is the flowless water leak detector with Wi-Fi Gateway by Airthereal. It was easy to set up, and it performed exactly as it was supposed to.